What is up, guys? It's Nick B here. Today we are sim trading February 23rd. Let's get right into this day. Much brighter today. And yeah, market opens in under a minute here. Watching DAF again. With AB. Super chill. Oh, they updated. Yes, you can see a big red thing there. Okay, so let's see. I have to take these off for now. But looks like traders are trying to short, and actually they're going long, right? Yeah, going long. Actually, they went long here, got stopped out. Went long here. Now, alright, market open. Swing low first entry. I have no idea. Do believe this is sell. Okay. Don't minimize until you're in the profit area. Don't minimize until you're in the profit area. Okay. That was a good try. I think that was a sell though. Should have scalped that earlier. We could probably trying to sell here. See if we could get into this. Might leave us. Yep. That's why we watch Twitch, because it's gonna be a long time before next trade. That's so sad. We wanted to sell, but missed it. And we went for the sell due to the fact we broke above this high up here. And you can see traders are continuously going long, so that's the reason for the sell. So we can see the kind of a rangy day with the highs here and semi-lows here. So we could imagine traders trying to go short in this direction to try and play the trend. That's the only reason range works, is traders try to go for the breakout. Should probably take the other buy order, which is right here. Why this could be just entirely wrong. Stops in a good reasonable spot at this low here, but might want to actually scalp out at this high. Comes up to there. Need one more bar to minimize. I think that's good. Decent scalp. Better than getting a loss. Also swing low for century. Well, good thing we didn't take it on the other end. It looks like you got a huge push and we got a ton of breakout traders trying to go out that direction. If it breaks below this low, we're probably gonna minimize. No minimization. I hate minimization. It never does us any good. The cell was probably here at the EMA. Let's try one more time. Yeah, it looks like it was. Could take it on a lower high. I feel like we're wrong now. Yikes. NC. Got one more trade before we bottom frag here. I was selling because I thought traders were going to continuously, whatchamacallit? I should probably take profit here, not look for a runner. Probably I should scalp at this high here. So we went for a buy because there's just breakout traders. I'm not even going to mention why I sold because obviously it was incorrect. But you want to go for buy because here you have breakout traders and yeah. Can't believe we actually got a runner here. That's your passion. Good trade, good trade. We know there's breakout traders because of these guys here. They play the range, and so they're trying to push the market out in this direction. And every time they try to, even here, they broke below these lows. They try to break it out this way. They come back this way. They try to break it out this way. Then here we stop out. Everybody who went long that way put their stops here. Stopped out. Then let's see what happened here. They chased it this way. Then it pulled back a little bit. And just kept pushing, and here they thought for sure I was going to come out this way, and they just go for that buy. Pretty good trade, I think. And I might as well mention why we sold here is because I thought traders were still trying to go long based on this move right here. Broke here, and I thought they were still going long, but they already got stopped out. So I thought they were going to go long again, but as we learned, there are more breakout traders than there are people going against the market, if that makes sense. So that's the reason for the buy. Huge move again. No opportunity for us to enter there though. I'm gonna go for a tiny sell here. That's it. That was a sell. And the buy. Probably sell again, I think. No, it's a buy. If we're wrong, we'll probably... No. Yeah, it was just a tad bit too early. I felt like everybody would go long here due to the fact it just became a nice clear range. And so breakout traders came to the realization that it could be. Oh, and also these guys had to get stuffed up. Swing high for a century, but I don't like this setup. I'll wait for the swing. I'll wait till we get back to the EMA. Okay. Don't know if we'll get a big runner here. Probably just scalp out at this high, to be honest. Maybe 16. Oh. Wait, what? Come on, partner. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. No, no, no. So they're playing the range. The buy might be... Okay, swing high for a century. This actually might be the buy right here. No, I think they're gonna keep on going long, to be honest. Don't minimize, like... Oh, wow, we're not doing too well. But it was a sell nonetheless. We should have probably scalped out there. And if we bought, we would also got stepped out, which is kind of interesting to think about, to be honest. But we broke past here. Traders started going short, and that's the reason you want to go for a buy. Here, I feel like this should be the correct buy here, to be honest. Unless we break above that high. Come on, hold on. Right back to that EMA. I don't think we'll be able to push any higher than this. I'm hoping I'm wrong. No, I think we're right. This should be able to skyrocket. Wait, yeah. I'm hoping I'm wrong. Yes, we should be There should be a runner here because I think they're gonna go for the try and go for the short. It might come out and stop us before taking off in that direction. Hold it, hold it. Smalls, okay. So it looks like it's just gotten real choppy. But the buy was correct at least. We should have scalped that at the high or something. Sell was not correct. Yeah, so the reason we bought is because we broke below this low. It was a lower high. Wait for a two-legged move here. Swing high for a center or swing low? Kind of want to take this lower high here. I should have bought over here. This lower high here, that would have been the better buy. Reacting to the EMA nicely, but not in our favor at least. Okay, now it is in our favor. Sell makes sense because we broke above this high right here, and there's a lot more weight because it's the correction of this like range going on here. Whoa, nice two-leg move. I'm gonna take this. If it breaks, okay. Okay, could take a guess here. No, I'm not gonna guess here. That would have been a nice sell though, that swing low first entry, second entry sell. That's what we're trying to catch. And yeah, you get a nice push in that direction. Oh. Breakout traders. That would have been a good sell. There are these lows here. I'm gonna take a tiny scalp here. Probably just above here. Okay, now a little bit higher. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Let's go for 16. I think minimizing, no, let's not. Never minimize. NT, that was a good try. Thought we had it. Looks like they're also using the support here, which is weird because I thought we had breakout traders. But they did try to use a support here to go long, which Maybe they try to use the support here to go long. They're playing the range all of a sudden, actually, now that I think about it. Actually, they were playing the range. You're not breakout traders. If you think about it, you got a high right here. They go short, they get stuffed out, they go short, exit. Then again, you have this resistance, they go short, and they got stuffed out. Short, stuffed out. Short, stuffed out. So they are playing the range. Interesting. Long, stuffed out. Long, stuffed out. Long, stuffed out. So they were playing the range. Now, since we're out of this range, I'm curious to see how this plays out. I want to go for a buy here. I know the traders keep going long here, but I feel like since they were playing the range, I feel like they're going to end up playing the trend. Or maybe is it not a trend yet? Oh, okay, let's go sell. Okay, we're in the trade. There's no way this works, actually. Yeah, no way. Knew it. Knew it, I knew it, I knew it, I knew it. Yeah, so they would play the trend before, or they play the part. If it's a range, it's a range. If it's trend, it'll be a trend. NT. Bottom frag day. Okay, now I feel like maybe we've gotten might have gotten the correct read. We'll go for break. Okay, we can take profit now. Alright, it was right. So you can see they continuously buy. You sell by these lows. They just keep on buying and buying and buying. Oh, bro, you better run. We almost bottom fragged. Probably still well though. Still well. Still. Good runner, good runner. No way, we're still going. Nah. Break even. Could have probably sold at the EMA right here as well. Something changed. Let's try one more time. Nope. Damn it. Damn. So people are still going long. I thought this huge push would incite it for people to go short. I guess not. Something definitely changed in the market though. This huge push here. Yeah, it needed a little bit further push for people to believe that it was going to keep going. This should work out. I'm just going to stop these guys out. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Let's go for double. 16. At least. Back to this EMA, hopefully. Let's see. We keep getting trapped with the longs, man. Watch, now that we're gonna go short, we're gonna get stopped. Was this an important low? I feel like it was important low, but they went long again and went long. Weird if they went long, they would have been okay. We'll just short, who knows. Maybe we should wait for the third entry though. Oh. And the bottom frag. There's the bottom frag. That's what we've been waiting for. Let's try again. Technically. No, we should get stopped at though. No way we get another push. Excuse me. It just doesn't seem like it should. There it is. Nice two-legged move here. Broke above this EMA like nothing. I feel like this is a buy now. Wait, it is a buy. Let's just see if we could get out of bottom break. I'll leave this all the way down here. We break above this high. I think we might have something. Ooh, I think that's all we're gonna get. Should probably scalp there. Oh, we went for the buy because we had the swing low first entry and they got stopped out. So that means there's people who kept going long here realized at this point might as well just keep on selling. And I think that was a significant low because of the consolidation and the amount, I would imagine, like the volume that was probably here. Probably check that out later, but making that a significant low. And so once we break below that, traders started going short, and that was confirmed right here. So that's why we went for the buy. It's the same thing essentially as nonetheless, this was a buy. Whether or not we get the scalp here. Should have probably scalped that at the high though. I was hoping for a runner, but I don't think we'll have anything this big anymore because everybody's waiting for that. Next big move in volume is not there anymore. It is after 9 o'clock, so it'll be around like 10 o'clock. Start getting bigger moves, but I think we should have scalped that at that high. Nonetheless, good try, good try. NT. So it seems like traders started chasing it as it broke above this high right here on the minute chart. And as soon as it broke above there, traders started to go long, and that's what instantly reversed the market here. So probably scalping at the high was the best thing because we already know traders are trying to go long. So scalping out right there is probably the best idea because we can imagine it's not going to go all the way up because traders have been trying to buy. And as soon as it broke above there, traders try to go long. Right now we're going to look for a sell here. Probably a lower high would be nice. Oh no, we'll wait for a two-legged move here. Yeah. Swing out for century. Big moves, clean moves. Looking for a sell here, but I don't think a one ticker is gonna suffice. Actually, you never know. not very good at this reading thing. Weird, they went for breakout. Why did they go for a breakout? They try to go for breakout, that means they're trying to go for breakout here. Who knows? Taking a look at this volume thing. Missed the trade here, I was playing chess. It looks like a buy. Doesn't matter. You just don't know how to trade anymore, apparently. We don't use the EMAs for anything, to be honest. If we did, we'd probably be a little bit more successful selling at the EMA here. Definitely not selling at the EMA there, though. Selling at this EMA, that'd be nice. This is a sign of traders continuously going long when it has this pattern. And here it is again. It's kind of covered in the arrows, but yeah. Same thing here. Sort of. Surprisingly, they went short here. Probably because we broke this low. We got a two-legged pullback. Maybe we could take a position here, like a two-legged move. Go for a buy at the EMA. No, let's just keep selling, I guess. I don't know. Definitely patterns, and patterns tell you something about the market. Here, these patterns help us. So our most successful trades have been because of a pattern we read and the pattern that the market or that traders continuously do. And we can learn from that, what that pattern says. So here we have like a pattern of a high, then a little bit higher high, then a pullback, then high, then a little bit higher high, then a little bit higher high. So that just basically means people are using the range, they're going short, and they're getting stopped out. They're going short, and they're getting stopped out. And at the same time, after getting stopped out, they go for the breakout trade, which is why it holds its range and the market falls in this direction. So there's two characteristics right there, which is interesting. So here they go for the range, they get stopped out, they get stopped out, they get stopped out. And then I think after we break this low, they try to go short for the breakout and then they get stopped out. They try to go long, back to the other side, they get stopped out. We get a move in that direction again. After breaking this high, we didn't break any significant lows. If they try to go long back, and that would be a perfect sell. They go long, 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 long. Good move in that direction. So they go long and they get stopped out. Here they go long, 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 long. And then after they're getting stopped out here. Huge push in that direction after the massive consolidation here. Surprised there's not a lot more volume here. But that makes it a significant low. Then here, traders actually caught on, tried to go short, and they get stopped out. And then we buy here to stop them out. We probably should have scalped at the high, but they also tried to go short. But once we saw the break above that high, traders try to go in that direction for the breakout. We sell against that. They try to break out in this direction. Actually, let's think. They're playing the range. They would have got a good scalp here, but it's not a range quite yet. Not an obvious one. This one was way more obvious. So I don't think it's range because it's been on this downtrend. If it's more of a range when it's an actual range, it's not a conversion or a trend into another range. So they're still treating this as a trend and trying to go for the breakout in either direction. And then here it looks like they try to go long to correct it. And they get stopped out. Actually, hold on. This is correct. If this was range, range means trading back to another side. So here we're at the low. They're going for the buy to play the range back to the highs here. So that's why they're not going short here, because going short here technically means you're going to continue the trend, which they're not trying to do. They're trying to go long, back to the other side, which is the high. They go long, 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 and then everybody gets stopped out. And long, 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 long. So I'm surprised this one actually doesn't work out. Huge push in that direction. Curious to see what that one looked like. I think it was this one, right? Oh, was it a break above here? It was, yeah. So break above a significant high. Traders try to go long. Wait, wow. Significant break below significant low. I don't know. That one's I'm confused about. Break above a high makes sense. Okay, let's take a position here. Alright, let's try to apply what we learned, which is absolutely nothing. You have a high, traders went short. They got stopped out. We know they're breakout traders and they're playing the range, so this should be sell. They might be chasing it this way though. It's actually kind of crazy that we accumulated, I think I was recording backward. Oh well. But we accumulated $170, probably $200 worth with only 8.5 points of scalp. It's actually insane how many times we got losers. Every single trade technically has been a loser, right? It's insane. No winners. Alright, kind of a weird thing, but I noticed, and I'm trying to figure out the reason why. Why? Is it control 4? Yeah. So here you have a high, a low. Bada bing, bada boom. And then it doesn't break above this high like this. It stays underneath. So maybe that's the reason this is not a valid short here, because that's a lower high and gives enough indication for traders to be like, hey, we might keep pushing on this way. And so they all sell and then you go against it. But this two-legged move, we have a pullback here and then a huge other pullback here saying, oh wait, we might actually skyrocket in that direction. So that's why that's a good sell. Maybe? Yeah, I don't know what we should do, why or whether or not to keep on trading, because definitely shouldn't. But I thought we had something for the past couple of weeks. But this day was just so like confusing. I'm more blown away by the fact of we're not even close to a 50% win rate, and how this is even possible with $17. You know, I think that's 10 losses in a row, right? Yeah. How is that even possible? That's 100% losing rate. The last 10 trades. Doesn't make sense. I'm gonna go for a buy here, who knows? Actually, sell. sound already. Alright, I actually have a little bit of logic why we went short here, even though we're probably still gonna get stopped out. Yeah, we're getting stopped out, there's no way. And it's the fact that here you have a second entry, like we mentioned. It's exactly what we were talking about, this guy, and then it can't push higher, and everybody goes short. Here, it pushed way higher, so that's why actually it works. So makes sense because it looks like it's going in that direction. But NT either way. This whole thing's gonna correct, I feel like. There's no point of trying to get over here. Or trying to do this. I'm just gonna leave this exactly where it is. And if we get this, then we get this. If we don't, then we don't. Alright, that's gonna be it for this. Peace.